Tiny houses are a perfect representation of the minimalist lifestyle with their small and functional designs. These homes encourage avoiding unnecessary belongings and aim for a simple life. In the enchanting world of small spaces, you can find freedom and serenity by letting go of things you don't need. Less material burden leads to more inner richness. Moreover, tiny houses are also a symbol of harmony with nature. Sustainable materials and eco-friendly designs offer a respectful way of living in harmony with the natural environment. These homes, nestled in nature, are like a paradise for those seeking tranquility and peace. They live in harmony with the beauty of the surroundings while contributing to the environment through energy efficiency. Tiny house owners embark on their own journeys, stepping away from traditional living and exploring the world. These traveling homes satisfy adventurous spirits. Remember, small is valuable, and a life in harmony with nature helps reduce our impact on the world. Stay tuned as we continue to explore the beauty of minimalist living and being one with nature.